Hi locals! Alam niyo ba masarap ang Taiwanese foods? And if naghahanap ka ng authentic and affordable Taiwanese food, we recommend Tian Mas in Makati. We're here today trying out some of their best sellers. First up, this Xiaolangbao. No meat extenders, no fillers, just pure flavor. Ang sarap, lalo na eat it with the dipping vinegar sauce. Then we have this flavorful Taiwan-style beef noodle. And this hakao, grabe, melt in your mouth. Ang sarap. Nakakabitin nga lang. Next, we also tried Kung Pao shrimp. Ang taba ng shrimp and ang fresh ng gulay kasama. The hot and sour soup tastes authentic, napadami tuloy ako. I also love the salt and pepper spare ribs and eto, recommended nila kaya sinubukan ko na rin. And totoo nga, ang sarap nitong auntie beef stew clay pot. The meat is so tender at malasa. Of course, we paired all of this with Taiwan-style fried rice, refreshing desserts, and drink. Overall review, this place is amazing. Accessible lang, madali lang puntahan, super sulit, masarap na, affordable pa. Tian Mas is definite a must try. Thank you for watching locals. Follow us for more.